Okay, so we are going to solve addition and subtraction fraction problems using the RDW process and showing two different processes for solving them. So here we have our first addition, fraction addition word problem, and it reads, Sue ran
10, no, 9,
9/10 mile
7,
on Monday and
7,
7/10 mile on Tuesday. How many miles did Sue run in the 2 days? So we want to know the total. I'm going to sample this problem and then you'll have a chance to um, work out your own in the next page. So we're going to represent this on a strip diagram. And we have our two add-ins here. So we're missing the final product. So we have 9/10. And what's our other number?
no, I forgot. 7,
7/10. And we're missing the final product. Okay? So we are going to write it. This will be our solution 1. This will be our solution 2. So we have our strip diagram right there demonstrating our two fractions. Solution 1. So if we have 9/10 plus 7/10 equals, how many do we need to get to
16,
yes, that is 9 plus 7, that is okay. We'll do that one as our solution 1. So 9 and 7 we said equals
16,
16. Very good. And then we move our denominator because that is the total miles. So this is improper. We are not supposed to have a larger number up here, a larger number than our denominator. So what we can do is a number bond. And our first fraction would be 10 tenths. So when you have the same numerator and denominator, that equals 1. Okay? So this represents, I'm going to put a little arrow here. That represents 1. Okay? So what is 16 minus 10?
that's easy, equals 16, 6,
6. So we have 6 left. 6/10. So 9/10 plus 7/10 equal to
6,
1. And yes, you were saying it. 1 and 6/10. So that is one solution. So let's show that to our viewers. So that is solution number 1. Now, solution number 2. We'll write the same thing because we're trying to add the same numbers. 9/10 plus 7/10. So what we said right here, that if we have the same numerator and denominator, it equals 2.
1,
Okay. So let's do a number bond here. How many do we need here to complete this
1,
1? Very good. So we're going to take 1/10 from our 7/10. Okay? How many is 7/10 minus 1/10?
What?
How much is 7/10 minus 1/10? 7 minus 1. What does that leave you?
6.
6. And don't forget the denominator, tenths. Okay? Said that 9 plus 1 equals.
Mom, what's this?
Oh, I meant to do 10.
Maybe you can reset doing it again instead.
No, it's good. Okay, so we said that 9/10 plus 1/10 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10 tenths.
It's the same.
Mm-hmm. And now we have to add it to our 6/10.
It's 2.
So we have to add our 6/10. And what did we say? Whenever the numerator and denominator are the same number, it equals to what? If the numerator and denominator are the same number, it equals to
1 again.
1 and
Yes.
6. 6 what?
6.
Tenths.
6 tenths.
1 and 6/10. Very good. So that is our solution. So
Are we done yet?
Sue, almost. Sue ran. Now we have to write out our answer. Sue ran. How many?
Come on. 9 tenths.
1
10
and 6
and
tenths. 1 and 6
I don't
tenths.
have.
Okay. Don't press anything. Okay, so that is our addition problem. Sue ran 1 and 6 mile. Miles, yes, don't forget our units. Okay, now for the lack of time, we are just going to do a subtraction problem. Okay, so set up. Mrs. Jones had 1/4 pizza. Pizzas left after a party. After giving some to Gary, she had 7/8 pizzas left. What fraction of the pizza did she give to Gary? So we're going to begin again with our stripped diagram. Okay, so we have to write down our problem. 1/4 minus 7/8. Okay, so we cannot take away 7 from 4. It's not big enough. So what we're going to do is make this 1, we're going to make it into 8/8, and we're going to add our 8 to our 4/8. So how much is 8 plus 4?
Oh,
12. So that is 12/8. And then we're going to move this 7. We cannot see our paper. Good. 12/8, and we're going to subtract the 7/8 from the 12/8. So what is 12 minus 7?
5.
5. eighths. Okay? So she gave 5/8 of the pizza to Gary. Now let's solve that a different way. We have our 1/4 I'm not sure I'll work toward the audience right now. Minus 7/8. It's asking us to break this to 8/8. So that's that one. And 4/8. Okay? So we're gonna do this 8 and put it over here. Minus, bring down this 7/8. 8 minus 7 equals
1.
okay. So you have 1/8, and we cannot forget our 4/8 over here. So we're gonna do 4/8 plus this 1/8 because we already did our subtraction. So this is left over. We have to add it. 4 plus 1
equals 5.
Okay. So 5/8. Okay. So Miss Jones gave 5/8 of the pizza to Gary. Those are our two solutions. You can take it off me.